Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the manual transmission oil on Peugeot 207. The transmission on this car is located on the side of the engine. This is the transmission, and the drain plug for the oil is located right there, just underneath the CV axle. It's located right there, that's the drain plug. The filler plug is on top of the car. There is no level plug, only filler plug, so we need to add the exact amount of oil into the transmission through the filler plug. In order to get access to the filler plugs, first we're going to remove this air intake pipe. Now that the air intake pipe is removed, we have access to the filler plug. The filler plug is right there, this black thing right there. That's the filler plug cap. To get better access, first we're going to remove those plastic covers on the battery. And now we'll be able to put our hand in there and take out the filler plug cap. That's the filler plug cap removed. Now you can see we have access to the filler plug. That's the cap right there, and we have access to the filler plug. Next we're going to remove the drain plug and drain the oil. This is the socket that I'm using. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now I'm going to drain all the oil and then put the drain plug back on. Now that the oil has been drained and the drain plug back on, next I'm going to fill the oil. First I'll show you the service manual for the oil. The manual transmission oil grade is Total Transmission 8V70W75W80, and the capacity for the transmission is 2 liters. And next I'll show you a photo of where the drain plug and the filler plugs are, just like I showed you on the transmission. There's also a tightening torque of 30 to 36 Newton meters on the drain plug. Next I'm going to fill the transmission with oil. To fill the transmission with oil, I'm going to use a pump. This is the pump that I'm going to use, and that hose I'm going to put into the filler plug, into the filler hole, and the pump I'm going to put it into the bottle. If you're doing it the same way, you might want to get somebody to help you to hold that hose into the hole so that it doesn't come out and spew the oil all over the transmission. Now I'll show you a closer view of where my hose went into the filler hole right there. And this is the oil that I'm going to be using to put into the transmission, 75W80 total. Now I'm going to put my pump into the bottle and pump all the oil in. We need to add 2 liters of oil into the transmission. Okay, we've added 2 liters of oil into the transmission. Now we're going to put the cap, the filler cap back on and assemble everything in the reverse order. And that's how you replace the transmission, the manual transmission oil on the Peugeot 207. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.